Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account eligibility and billing details. This avoids delays. Once done, open Tools and Settings, go to Billing, then Credits, and enter the promo code exactly as provided. Make sure to set a clear campaign objective, conversions, traffic, or awareness, because credit applies best when tied to a measurable goal. You should also pick a time zone and payment threshold now, so billing cycles align with how the credit will apply to future charges. Next, create the campaign that will spend the credit efficiently. You choose search, display, or video based on intent, search for direct response, video for awareness. Set a realistic daily budget and a bidding strategy that matches your goal. Target the first 1 to 2 weeks for most credit consumption. Then define keywords, audiences, locations, and device bids. This reduces wasted spend. Make sure to add ad extensions and at least 2 responsive ads so Google can optimize delivery. You finish by monitoring credit usage and campaign performance daily. Open billing to verify credit is reducing charges as expected. Once you see early data, pause low-performing keywords, raise bids on winners, and refine audiences. Small changes compound. When the credit runs out, transition budgets smoothly so delivery doesn't drop. If the credit never applied, check the promo status, billing country, and payment method. Contact support if values mismatch. This keeps campaigns stable and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.